Meaning of hip-hop.
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 Hip-hop. Hip-hop is a cultural movement that began in African American and Latinx communities in the Bronx, New York City in the 1970s. It is characterized by four artistic elements: emceeing, rapping, DJing, graffiti art, and breakdancing. Hip-hop also encompasses a broader cultural context, including fashion trends, language and slang, and social and political commentary. As it has grown in popularity, it has become a global phenomenon, influencing music, fashion, art, and media around the world. Ultimately, hip-hop represents a powerful expression of self-identity and resistance against social injustice and inequality.